The 2020 Ford Bronco was affirmed a couple of months prior, and this famous model will return to the market. Here we have the rundown of all known and conjectured certainties identified with this vehicle and its restoration by the Blue Oval organization. As more data is conveyed, we will additionally refresh this page. Passage intends to bring 4 or even 5 new utilities in the following couple of years, and 2020 Ford Bronco is a piece of this arrangement. The thing that will particularly amuse the aficionados of the organization and this model is the way that the new SUV will be delivered in Wayne Assembly Plant in Michigan. Barely any mysteries propose that the cool kicking Bronco logo is returning. An awesome number of fans are super ramped up for the arrival of this machine. Things that are not affirmed but rather we imagine that will happen. Most recent reports propose that 2020 Ford Bronco will be made in Australia and that comes in accordance with the way that right now accessible Ranger is created there. 2020 Ford Bronco is going to the market as 4x4 average size model. This has been exceedingly expected and vigorously supposed vehicle, and Blue Oval organization chose to utilize 2017 North American International Auto Show to declare the arrival of the legend. Another intriguing bit of data that flew up on Ford's introduction is the way that they are anticipating conveying 5 new utility vehicles by 2020. There are no insights about every one of those models, however what we know so far is that 2019 Ford Ranger is coming and that 2020 Ford Bronco is being readied. Sufficient for us. Indeed, even Ford didn't convey any official figures and specs identified with measurements, weight, motor lineup, exhibitions and costs. We can anticipate couple of things. This ought to be taken with grains of salt as these are just our forecasts. As per a few bits of gossip which may turn out to be genuine considering that they are originating from a source near Ford, the forthcoming Bronco will be made accessible with 2 distinct motors at dispatch with a conceivable third tagging along the way. This is very irregular considering that its significant rival will adhere to its V6 for no less than 4 more years. Passage will introduce a base 2.0-liter EcoBoost i4 process with 245 strength and 275 pounds-to-foot of torque, while a discretionary 2.7-liter V6 with 310 drive and 350 pounds-to-foot of torque is additionally going to be accessible. Third choice information isn't out yet, and it is difficult to estimate since 2 as of now specified units cover whole section. Great.